If you haven't heard about this already, someone reportedly figured out how to get V0's system prompts. What does this mean? Why should you care? And how should you use it? V0 helps you build apps with AI. So you can basically give it a prompt and it'll build an app for you. Because it's built by Vercel, it'll also use Vercel's cloud platform to deploy your app for you. It's pretty similar to other viral platforms like Lovable or Bolt. System prompts basically guide an LLM on how they should behave. Now, it appears that this person was able to get V0 to reveal its system prompts through some form of prompt injection. Although exactly how this person did it isn't entirely clear. Importantly, the VP of AI from Vercel said that this is not the real system prompt, and that in fact these prompts are hallucinations because they don't use GPT-4o. So I would definitely take these system prompts with a grain of salt, but I do think it's possible that it's reflective of what the V0 system prompts do look like. So the reason why I think this is interesting is because you can see just how much prompt engineering went into this. It's seriously long and can get very strangely specific. For example, the system prompt tells the LLM that it should always be using MDX format and to use Mermaid for diagrams and flowcharts. And this one's a funny one. Apparently V0 should avoid using Indigo or Blue, unless told otherwise. And it even has specific examples on how to respond for missing environment variables. In terms of how you can actually use this information, I think it's an interesting example and exploration into how crazy these system prompts can be. And I think you can take some inspiration from it, because the original author who figured this out in the first place did mention that through testing, they were able to get similar results to V0. This has prompted a lot of people to ask, is V0 just a wrapper over an LLM with like a massive system prompt? I certainly find that a little bit hard to believe. I'm sure there's some logic that goes behind how the LLM is called in the first place, how the prompts are formatted and adjusted when a user actually writes a prompt in, and I just find it hard to believe that it's literally just a system prompt. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. I'm Diana, and I break down tech, startups, and AI without the hype. Follow for more.